Curvy or uneven walls need a tailored approach to baseboard installation to avoid gaps and a sloppy finish. Start by dry fitting each length of baseboard and mark the high and low points on the wall using a pencil and a straight edge so you know where the board will rock. For scribe fitting, hold the board against the wall and use a compass to transfer the wall profile to the back edge of the baseboard. Then cut the profile with a coping saw or a jigsaw for precise contact. Coping is best for inside corners because it creates a tight interlock even if corners are not square. Use construction adhesive plus a compatible activator on the joints where glue alone might not hold. Apply a bead to the back of the board and a small strip of activator at the joint to accelerate bonding and lock miters or scarf joints. When fastening, prefer long narrow staples or finishing nails into studs and use a stud finder to locate them, and avoid overdriving fasteners which distort thin trim. Set nails slightly below the surface and fill with paintable wood filler. For long runs on very uneven walls, consider scarf joints rather than tight butt joints so the molding can follow the profile with less visible gaps. Finally, caulk the top edge with a high-quality paintable acrylic latex caulk. Backfill larger voids with thin strips of trim or flexible gap filler, and sand and paint the assembled trim to unify small inconsistencies. Most mistakes come from forcing perfectly straight boards onto irregular walls, which creates rocking and visible gaps. Instead, scribe or cope the profile so the wood actually contacts the wall. Another common issue is relying solely on nails without adhesive, which allows joints to open over time. Use adhesive plus an activator at joints and fasten into studs for permanent contact. A third problem is skipping dry fitting and trimming in place, which leads to poorly fitting miters and end joints. Always assemble dry, mark, then make final cuts and touch up with caulk or filler for a finished look. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical project guidance related to trim and finish work. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips, tradespeople find leads, and homeowners get peer feedback on techniques and contractor choices.